AEO Powersports KTM Racing has announced their 2025 Super Motocross lineup. Come Anaheim 1, the team will be represented by returning talents Talon Hawkins and Lux Turner, with rookie Avery Long making his pro debut alongside them. The team's second rookie, CJ Bernard, will join the team come the Pro Motocross Series, and Jeremy Schism, sorry if I'm pronouncing the last name, I'm horrible at him. The team manager and owner said, quote, "The 2025 racing season for our team is shaping up to be one of the best yet. We're excited to have an incredible support from our amazing partners and such motivated and talented team." Now, 2025 will be the team's fourth year competing in racing, and we'll see how they do. Obviously, this is a young team with Talon Hawkins and Avery Long and Lux Turner. This is not exactly a veteran team, however you want to call it, especially with Avery being a full-on rookie coming into the series right now. So for him, it's good. And there's quotes on the screen if you wanted to watch or if you wanted to read for all of the riders. But it's kind of exciting to see. Obviously, they're part of the KTM group, so or not KTM group, but they're racing KTM bikes. So we're going to see how that works out for them in the long run. But this is good. Obviously, young guys, they're going to be the up and coming people for the series, like for the next 10 years. Hopefully, these are going to be the people continuing to ride, and we'll see how they do this year. I don't think it says anywhere, at least that I can find, on who's racing which coast, but maybe I'm wrong. If I am, and comment down below, tell me. I would assume two on one side, one on another, but I don't know. That's my assumption, but I don't know. You guys tell me. You excited for this? Do you think it's a good lineup? Who do you think is going to win A1? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things the platform lets you do, because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.